Dakota's bubble truck. Trailer and all. It's weird, it's like a bump and go. This has been driving us nuts, the music, in a good way. Welcome to Dakota family. Look at that boy, it's Bubbles. Evie's over there like a lump on a log. There's Dakota. Oh yeah, Bubbles. Thank you, Joanne, for buying this for Dakota on our Amazon wish list we had. Just wanted to show you Dakota playing with this. Dakota's special needs. He's a 10-year-old. He's got a 2-year-old level, just for those that are not familiar with our channel. He's non-verbal autistic. He's doing pretty good. Anyways, this is Dakota's toy. We'll give this one a 5 out of 5. It's a bubble truck. Turn it around, Dakota. Dakota, move it around. Turn it over here, this way. Put it over here in the kitchen. Dakota, bring it out here. Dakota, bring it out here. Anyway, this is Dakota's bubble truck. See, it bumps into something and it backs up. We live in a rental house and this is the way the floor was, so we had to make use of it. So we use pink duct tape. That's what happens when you live poor. There's Dakota. We'll give this one a 5 out of 5, guys. Toy review. Bubble truck. This actually works good without the bubbles too. It bumps into this. Bring it out here on this floor, Dakota. This part of the floor. Bring it out here. Come towards Daddy. Anyways, Dakota's not cooperating today. But see how it bounced? Anyways, this is Dakota family. We'll give this toy review a 5 out of 5. Thanks, Joanne, for buying this for us. And the sensory toys.